Hi everyone, welcome to DVS Math.
So in this session, let us continue the triangles exercise 2.3. So in previous session, we discussed till question number 4. Now we are moving on to the question number 5. So let us understand the question number 5. So what is the question number 5? S and T are points on the sides PR and QR. So observe here. S and T are the points on the side PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ is similar to RTS. Show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. So now in this question they have not given the figure in your text. We have to write the figure. So it is this the figure, but understand the question and let us write one more time. So now what is the given figure? Here they are saying to take triangle PQR. Okay. Now S and T are the points on side PR and QR. Okay. So let us take, or you can take PR and QR. That means here if you consider like this PQR, PR is S, you can write here, or QR is T, or you can write like this also. Okay. Or if you consider PQR like this, PQR. So observe, if I consider a triangle like this, PQR. Okay. So PR, the point is S on PR, the point T is on QR. So now joining those two. Okay. So now, and they gave angle P is equal to angle RTS. So observe here. So this is a figure that is has to write in this session. So now in this, S is point on PR, T is point on QR. So joining those 2 points. Okay. And what is the given angle P? This P is equal to angle RTS. This angle. So now show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Okay. So now let us write the given. So now what is the given now? The same thing you have to copy from the question in triangle PQR. And the points S and T are the sides PR and QR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. This is the given. What is to prove? Triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Okay, let's move on to the proof. In triangle RPQ, so that means let us write the triangle now, RPQ, this triangle, RPQ. So one more triangle is, so now one more triangle is RTS. RTS means this triangle. So in both the cases you can observe, in both the cases, so one will be the given, that is angle P is equal to angle RTS. That means this angle is equal to this. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. One angle we got. Then observe in both the cases angle R is common. Angle R is common. That is angle PRQ is equal to angle RTS. Observe here PRQ, or you can write it as TRS. In both the cases angle R is common. So now as you all know, in any two triangles at least two angles are equal, then they are similar to each other. So now by AA similarity these two triangles are similar. By you can write AA similarity. Observe carefully. In both the triangles, if I consider triangle, this triangle and this triangle RTS, in both the cases one is the given part, that is angle P is equal to angle RTS. In both the cases angle R is common, taking it as common. So one is a given, another one is a common angle. So by this is angle, this is angle. By AA similarity these two triangles are similar. So this is about question number 5 in exercise 2.3.
For more exercise questions, subscribe my channel. Keep watching. Thank you.